Welcome to EduNear. We created EduNear because we wanted to have a robust community for educators. While running an education center in the past and mother of two sons, I was frustrated to see how educators struggle to find the right material, training or connect in their field or other fields. There is so much possible to better the experience of educators. When we started, it was just two of us, and now we have hundreds of educators who are part of this community. EduNear has everything for you. If you want some training, the community has an expert. If you are an expert for someone, somebody is looking for you to get hired.
Hi, welcome to the EduNear family. No one can inspire or empower an individual more than a teacher. Right from an impressionable age, teachers are probably one of the first role models in the life of a child. And this is a role which is performed not only very well by you guys, but you excel at it. My name is Arvind Nair and I am the co-conspirator on this beautiful platform called EduNear. My association with EduNear stems from a strong sense of gratitude towards this beautiful profession of teaching. And also, it is a sincere and passionate endeavor to create a journey which could be more beautiful and inspiring for all those involved.
If you want to contribute to the community in any way, just write us an email and we would love to hear from you. If you want to create something and you need a helping hand or even a partner, the community is available. No matter what stage you are into your education career, whether you are just started or you are already part of a bigger organization managing at certain level, you will find what you are looking for here. One major difference with EduNear is that we are continuously evolving and we regularly take input from our members and experts and try to integrate them. We started with a simple WhatsApp group and we are now connected on various social media platforms and working on multiple projects. We are here to support the community of educators and we make sure we stay connected. Let us together make this world better for our students and for our next generation. Certainly join us as an EduNear member and see host of benefits that you can achieve being a member.
As a teacher, you guys rock it on a daily basis. There is absolutely no doubt about it. Especially in today's turbulent times when you have to don multiple hats apart from only teaching in the classrooms. But even the bravest of the warriors at some point of time have to hit the reboot button. You need to go back to your drawing board, connect with your peers, realign the teaching methodologies and come back more inspired and impactful in the classrooms. This is precisely where EduNear as a platform intervenes. So please join EduNear today and connect with like-minded professionals from the community. Try and see what you can co-create with them. As a set of professionals, we at EduNear would be delighted to help each one of you reach your dreams. It would be a great thing for us to help you leverage the kind of knowledge and content that you have with you, package it in multiple formats and also see how you can be monetarily benefited from the same. We would love to collaborate with each one of you, be it creating blogs, publishing a textbook, creating a website, creating multiple courses online, creating events, conferences, etc. And would always like to act as a catalyst not only for you guys to grow personally but also professionally. So if you are already a member of EduNear, Kindly spread the word around and get more members. If you are not yet a member of Eduneer, please join today and explore the tremendous scope of opportunities that you have out here. So let's create, connect and collaborate. Welcome on board.